Welcome all. Great to be with you here today. My name is Naresh BHALLA. I have now consolidated more than 6 year experience in cybersecurity and have overall 20-year experience in risk management, compliance, governance, including IT, internal audit, and assurance. Most recently, I have been working as a cybersecurity specialist, providing services and advice on governance, risk, and compliance activities. I have diversified experience in state and federal government working environment, as well as private and public enterprises, IT consulting, and big four accounting firms. Today, I will be talking mainly on network security, my side and experience. My insight and experience, I would say, in network security is, first of all to protect information and data, organization has to carefully design their infrastructure and network security. Therefore, implementing network security controls plays an important role in this respect. In Australia, as per Information Security Manual guidance issued by Australian Cybersecurity Centre, which is called ACSC, there are almost 30 controls on network design and configuration. A couple of them are, for example, network documentation should include a high-level network diagram detailing all connections into the network, a logical network diagram detailing and showing network devices, critical servers and services, and the configuration of all the network devices. A network device register should be maintained and regularly audited thereafter, making sure default account for network devices are disabled, renamed, or have their passphrase changed. And as per my recent experience, there are always some challenges to implement network security controls. And I have been working on various cybersecurity projects and programs, such as the development of various cloud services, managing security element across application and platforms, developing security strategies and assessing architecture design, assessing cybersecurity for identity and access management at development and implement phase, reviewing, developing, designing, documenting organizational standards, policy, and procedures, conducting third-party assurance and risk assessments, engaging with internal and external stakeholders, implementing tactical and strategical control with focus around automation of threat intelligence and vulnerability management to uplift security posture. To support IRAP information security register, assess program assessments, and external audit activities, I have completed a statement of applicability, system security plans for the various components of the application platform and systems. Also contributed to design document for various platforms hosted on Microsoft Azure, MuleSoft, and AWS. Basically implementing information security manual control and essential aids. A thorough consideration was also given to various standards and frameworks such as NIST, which is National Institute of Standard and Technology, SAPSA, PCI DSS, COVID, VPDSS, VPDSF, PDSF, and SSP, and ISO family like 27,001 and 2 and 35,000. Just in a summary, if I guide you that in security, there are three most important functions that information security performs in an enterprise. That is confidentiality, integrity, and availability. These should be considered in the design phase of the network security. Again, maximizing network security is a subjective matter. It depends on the organization's particular network security requirements. However, in any case, maximizing network security point of view, my advice would be to implement at least essential 8 requirement, and those are application whitelisting and patching, configure Microsoft Office macro settings, user application hardening, restrict administration privileges, patch operating systems, implement multi-factor authentication, and conduct basically daily backups. Essential 8 maturity model can also be considered. A Australian Signal Director has published the latest version in October 2021. Or maybe call us. We will be more than happy to help you securing your network by implementing such requirements. My final advice is bear in mind, security is all about people, process, technology. The second topic I would like to discuss is on a public cloud, just in case you want to use public cloud. In that respect, to give a best user experience, it all depends on an organization's infrastructure and or network design that support the application, software, or platform, as well as this also depend on what product and services an organization or your organization has to offer so that the user have an improved and best experience. Moving to public cloud, a cloud migration strategy may be required. Before moving to public cloud, the main consideration may include are, why are you moving or adopting a particular software as a service application? Explain the business justification behind the investment you are making. Will there be an acceptable service level agreement SLA on offer from a service provider? Is a service provider offer financially backed service level agreement, which is SLA? Consider what impact will the application have on the organization's internet bandwidth. What domain name system requirements for the application are those requirements can cause any or some problem with a particular cloud service provider that your organization is choosing or going to choose. Also consider an alternative software as a service provider that offer a similar adaptable and or a compelling solution for your organization. Does your proposed solution align with your business model and your corporate culture? Finally, consider what your exit strategy is just in case things don't work out very well. So that's one of the consideration that you can consider. I hope that will be of help to you guys. Thank you.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.